Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss a very important topic of theory of computation, that is Chomsky hierarchy. Now, a Chomsky hierarchy is a broad classification of the various types of grammars available. These include unrestricted grammar, context-free grammar, context-sensitive grammar and regular grammar. Grammars are classified by the form of their productions. Each category represents a class of languages that can be recognized by a different automata. The classes are nested, with type 0 being the largest and most general, and type 3 being the smallest and most restricted. Now let us see each of these grammars, these types of grammar one by one. Now first is type 0 grammar. Type 0 grammars generate recursively enumerable languages. The production have no restriction, so they are restriction free grammars. They generate the languages that are recognized by a Turing machine, which we already discussed in our previous video lectures. The productions can be in the form of alpha produces beta, where alpha is a string of terminals and non-terminals with at least one non-terminal, and alpha cannot be null, whereas beta is a string of terminals and non-terminals. As an example, you can see here the left hand side denotes the alpha and the right hand side denotes the beta, and they follow the properties of alpha and beta in the form alpha produces beta. Now the type 1 grammars. The type 1 grammars generate context sensitive languages. The language generated by these grammars are recognized by a linear bounded automata. The productions must be in the form alpha, capital A, beta, reduces alpha, gamma, beta, where capital A belongs to non-terminal and alpha, beta, gamma belongs to terminal union non-terminal, that is a string of terminals and non-terminals. The strings alpha and beta, they may be empty, but gamma must be non-empty. Now the note is there, an important note is there, the rule S produces epsilon is allowed if S does not appear on the right side of any rule. Now as an example, you can see this is the example which follows the form alpha A beta produces alpha gamma beta, and alpha beta gamma and A follow these rules. Now the type 2 grammar. The type 2 grammar generate context free languages. These languages generated by these grammars are be recognized by a non-deterministic push-down automata. So these are recognized by non-deterministic push-down automata and not in general deterministic push-down automata. The production must be in the form A produces gamma, where capital A belongs to non-terminal and gamma belongs to the terminal union non-terminal, it is string of terminals and non-terminals. So this is an example of type 2 grammar, and it must follow the production A produces gamma and its rules. Now the type 3 grammar. Type 3 grammar generate regular languages. They generate the languages that are recognized by a finite automata. Type 3 grammars must have a single non-terminal on the left hand side, and a right hand side consists of a single terminal or single terminal followed by a single non-terminal. The production must be of the form X produces A or X produces A capital Y, where capital X and capital Y belongs to non-terminal and small a belongs to terminal. An important note is there, the rule S produces epsilon is allowed if S does not appear on the right side of any rule. So this is an example of type 3 grammar, and it must follow the production of the form X produces A or X produces A capital Y, and X, Y and A follow the rules. Now the comparison between types of grammar. As you can see, there are 4 types of drummer: type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. Now type 0 drummer has been accepted by unrestricted drummers, language accepted, recursively enumerable language, and the automata which accept this drummer is Turing machine. Whereas type 1 drummer is also called as context sensitive drummer. The language they are deal with context sensitive languages, and the automata which deals with which accepted these drammers are linear bounded automata. In case of type 2 drummer, they are also called as context free drummer. The language they are accepted are context free languages, and the automata which accept this drummer is push down automata. Type 3 drummer is also called as regular drummer. The language they are generated are called as regular languages, and the automata which accept these drummers are called as finite state automata. Yeah, we can also show this comparison in the form of this type of diagram. Like type 0 is the broad form and most general form of the drummer, which is also called as unrestricted drummer, and it is recognized by Turing machine. Now type 1 is also called as context sensitive drummer, and it is accepted by linear bounded automata. Now type 2 is also called as context free drummer, and it is accepted by push down automata. Type 3 is also called as regular drummer, and it is also accepted by finite automata. So this is all about Chomsky hierarchy and their comparison of different types of drummers. Thank you for watching this video.